Let's start. The project name is the action mode context menu. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And in the menu folder, we have a toolbar_menu.xml file, which has the menu items for the normal toolbar menu, and then we have an action_mode_context_menu XML file, which has the menu items for the context menu. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. This is the toolbar. The menu attribute is set to the toolbar_menu.xml file. The theme attribute is set to a theme, in the themes.xml file. And this is the button. In the toolbar_menu.xml file, this is the menu. In the action_mode_context_menu XML file, this is the context menu. In the themes.xml file, this is the toolbar theme. And this is the toolbar theme when the context menu shows up. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, we have set the onMenu item click listener of the toolbar menu. When a menu item is clicked, we show a toast. This is the onLong click listener of the button. We show the action mode context menu when the button is long clicked. This is the action mode callback. Here we inflate the action_mode_context_menu.xml file. Here we handle the onClick listener of the context menu. We show a toast when a menu item is clicked, and then we finish the context menu. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement an action mode context menu in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.